Welcome back to my channel. Here we are still working on page 231 of J.N. Green Technical Drawing Textbook, and I'm going to work on this question 159, as we have here that assemble the two parts and draw a front elevation looking direction on arrow A plan. That's question 2. Question 3, an end elevation looking in direction of arrow B, and question 4, a section of plane XX, and question 5, a section of plane YY. Use squared paper or drawing paper, assuming the squares to be 10 millimeters. Alright, so I don't have a squared paper, but I'll be using a drawing paper here. Alright, so we are going to assemble this part first, and for the remaining questions, or for the main questions that we are given, we have a video for each of them, including the one of the assembly. So that's what I want to do first. So let us assemble the part, then we now work on the front elevation and other questions that we are given. But we are going to have a video for each of them. So for the assembling, as we have here, so we are going to put these two parts together. This one is entering here. Okay, we are putting this one entering into this. So first of all, start with the construction of this one, then now bring it in. So let's start. So what I'm going to do first, is that I'm going to I'll take my set square and draw a line in this direction. So I draw a line in this direction like this. Okay, and then so I will also draw a line in this direction like this. Okay, draw a line in this direction, then I will draw a vertical line. I'll draw a vertical line here. Alright, so let's take the measurement. We have to count the number of squares before we can know the length. So we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I want us to break it down so that I can bring out this picture that we have here. So this is 1, 2, 3. Okay, then we have 1, 2, so that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 90 millimeters long. So let's take a measurement of first of all, take that 3, so that is 30. So here we have 30. Okay, then next one we have 1, 2, so that is 20 millimeters. Okay, this is 20 millimeters here. Then next we have 1, 2, 3, 4, so that is 40 millimeters. So this is 40 millimeters here. So we have this now. Alright, so on each of these points, I'm going to draw a vertical line, so just a short vertical line. So here we draw a vertical line here, and coming to this point, we draw a vertical line. And then at this point here, I will also draw a vertical line here. So we have this now. Now let's take the measurement as we have here. So from here to here is 30. This is 1, 2, 3. But before that, let's work on this face. So this is also 1, 2, 3. So we take, and then from here to here, 1, 2, 3. So we take 30 millimeters on this line here. So this is 30 millimeters here. And then I'll come to this side also. I'll take 30 millimeters. So this is 30 millimeters here. At this point, I'm going to draw a vertical line up here. Then I can now, okay, so I need to, so let me join this together so that we know that we already have this face here. Okay, so I will draw this, so it's a square. Alright, so then other things that I'm going to do is that I'm going to transfer this point, so transfer it onto this line that we have here. Okay, so I'll transfer it like this onto this line. So we have this now. So I need to join this together, and also need to join this together. Okay, we have this now. So we need to produce this feature that we have here. As we see it here, we need to produce it. So we have that 1, 2, so that's 20 millimeters. So take 20 millimeters up. So this is 20 millimeters. Okay, then we are going to draw, so this line that we have here, so we take this in a bit. So we take it in a bit by 10 millimeters. So this comes in, and we take 10 millimeters here. So this is 10 millimeters. So I'm going to draw a vertical line at this point. So we draw a vertical line up like this. Okay, then the next thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to transfer this line. So I'll transfer this line. I'll transfer it, taking it forward like this. So we have this now. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to join these 2 points, join a point with this, okay? Then I will come to this point here. So this particular point, I will draw this line. So if you look at what we have here, so what we see here, this on this part is now being shown here. So you can see it very well. All right, so then the next thing that I'm going to do is that let's form this surface, though if we do not form it, so we are still going to get the work done. So I don't want us to produce, because by the time this one comes in, it will cover everything. So these 2 lines that we have here, okay, so they are going to be merged with these 2 lines here. We merge with these 2 lines, so they just form one line together. All right, so let's bring this in. So what we are good by the time we put it in, okay, by the time this one comes in, let's count. So that is what, 20. This is 1 2, that's 20, and this one is 30. So we are going to okay, so this part here is entering to this. We need to form it. Let's form that part. So that feature, so let's form it. So I'm going to draw a line in here, and then come here and draw a line like this. Okay, draw a line here. All right, so then I'm going to so we take a measurement of 10 from here to here is 10. So you have to take 10 millimeters from this point in, okay. Then we also take another 10 from this point in here, okay. So then I'm going to draw a line, okay. So I draw a line here and here, okay. Then I'll also draw a line, okay. So it goes like this. All right, so then I will take a measurement. So this is also 10 from here to here. So I'll take a measurement of 10 millimeters to this side. This is 10 millimeters. And from this point also, I will take 10 millimeters to this side. This is 10. Okay, so by the time I'll draw this line. Okay, so then here also, I will draw a line from this point to touch this line. Okay, so with what we have here, so I don't have to draw. There's a line that's supposed to go in, so which I'm not going to draw. Okay, all right, so let's bring this one, let's bring it in. So by the time we bring it in, so this line here and this line, they will be merged with this line that we have here. So what we have to do now is that okay, so this one that we have here, so what we are going to see actually by the time it enters into, because what we have here from here 1 2 3, and then what we have here is 30 millimeters, so that it goes in. So what we have to produce is this line, okay. So this line that we have here is already here, and this one is already here. So what we have to do is that, so this so by the time this part enters into it, so we are going to be seeing from here up, okay, so which is 30 millimeters. So what we are just to do here now is that we come to this point and draw a vertical line like this. So here we draw a vertical line like this, and then we also come to this point here. So we come to this point, so at this point also, so we draw, okay, okay, I'm looking at it. So by the time, okay, so this line, so you have to draw this line. So we have to draw this line, we have to draw it forward, okay. So it has to come forward here. So we have to draw it forward here, touching this. And then at this point, I'll also draw a vertical line. Here I will draw a vertical. So the vertical line that I just drew is meant for this. Okay. So then we also need to come, so I need to transfer this also. I need to bring it forward here to touch this line, okay. Then at this point, I will draw a vertical line up, so it goes like this. Then we'll now take 30 millimeters. So we take 30 millimeters from here. So this is 30 millimeters. So we are transferring this. Okay, so we transfer this point. So we transfer this point, so it falls on this line. So we don't have to draw it, it's already there. So I'm just going to join this point. So draw a line from here to join with this line. Then from this point, I will draw a line in this direction. And then from here, I will also draw a line in this direction to touch this. Okay, so what we just need to bring out now to complete it is to bring out this feature that we have here. So if you look at it, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 40 millimeters. If we measure this, this will be 40 millimeters. So this is it, 40 millimeters. So, and then from here to here is 10, from here to here is 10. So we have 20 in the middle. So we take 10. So this is 10 millimeters. And I'll come here and take another 10. So I'm going to transfer these 2 points. I will transfer them to this line. Okay, so then I come forward here. I also transfer to this line. All right, so then I need to take a vertical line down from this point. So we take a vertical line down here. Okay, then come here, I take a vertical line down. So the depth of this is 10 millimeters. So I need to take a measurement of 10 millimeters from here down. Then I will now transfer this point. I will transfer it here, touch this. Okay, so from this point, okay, also, so I'll come to this point here and draw a vertical line down here. Then I will now transfer this point. So I'll transfer it. So I'll transfer it here. Okay, then at this point here, I'm going to draw a line to touch this. All right, so we have completed what we have here. So we have assembled. So what I need to do now is that I need to make some lines to be visible. So starting from this line here, so we have to make it a thick line. And then we have to make this line. So make it a thick line from here to here. All right, so the whole of this line all to the end will be a thick line like this. Okay, and then this line also, so the whole of this line will be a thick line. Okay, so so from here to here we make it a thick line because this surface that we have here, and then so the line will be a thick line from here to this end. Okay, so we have this now, and then so this line, so let's make this line a thick line. Okay, and then we also make this line a thick line from here to here. All right, so and then this line will also be a thick line. So this vertical line here, so bring it out with this vertical line that we have here, and then this will bring it out like this. Okay, so then let's make this line a thick line. So this line will be a thick line from here to this end, and then so this short line, so make it more visible, and then here make this visible. All right, so let's work here. So this line, so we made a thick line, and this line also. All right, so we have this. All right, so this short line and this line too. So those two lines are not together. So all right, so and then so what errors do we have? So we need to make this line a thick line, and this line here too should be made more visible, and we'll come here to make this a thick line. This should be a thick line. This line, so make it visible. Okay, and then coming up here, so we draw this line, and we also draw this as a thick line. All right, so what else do we have to show here? So everything has been completed. So we have the two parts assembled as you see it here. So let us meet on the video for the other questions. So thank you and God bless you.